everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Starbucks account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Starbucks account, open your Google search. On the search box type in Starbucks sign up and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the sign up link shown on the page. It will take you to the sign up page of Starbucks. To create an account on Starbucks, enter your first and last name. Enter your email address and create a password for your Starbucks account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Tick mark on the box to agree to the terms and conditions of Starbucks and then click on Create Account. This is how you can create an account on Starbucks quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.